Off the top at 6 now, video you'll only see on Local 10 here. A close call over Hollywood Beach. A drone and a helicopter nearly colliding. The helicopter's propellers, you see, they're just missing that drone.
So what led to that dangerously close encounter? Local 10's Christian De La Rosa is live from Hollywood with the one and only exclusive. Christian.
Well, you see the Diplomat Hotel right behind me along with the other skyrises. This apparent near collision went down just on the other side above the water. Stunning video shot from a drone above the Hollywood shoreline. You see the Diplomat Hotel as it pans to the left looking south toward Miami, then the close call.
Wow.
Watch again as the helicopter approaches.
It was close, very close.
Sky 10 helicopter pilot Jorge Gonzalez says what the video appears to show is a scary and dangerous near miss. Even a small drone hitting a helicopter, I mean, the consequences of that.
Yes, could be catastrophic, yes.
It's unclear just how high both the drone and the helicopter were flying, but Gonzalez points out the angle of the video appears to show the drone may have been flying above the helicopter. According to the Federal Aviation Administration's website, recreational and commercial use of unmanned aircraft systems like drones are not allowed to fly near aircrafts like helicopters and must always be flown within visual line of sight and at or below 400 feet in the air. The FAA tells Local 10 News it's investigating the close call. Now, this video was posted to YouTube just yesterday. Today, it was taken down. And the man who posted the video says he was flying this drone below 400 feet. We've made several attempts to reach out to him to get his side of the story, but so far, no response. We're live in Hollywood. I'm Christian De La Rosa.